How are you?
I am fine.
Alright, so let's continue our learning. In last video, we finished the lesson loops with Scrat. So today's lesson is loops with Laurels. Avnish, are you excited for today's lesson?
Yeah, I'm excited.
In today's lesson, there are total 14th level. So today we're going to cover first 7 to 8 levels, and remaining level we are going to cover in next video. So this is first intro video. So let's watch the intro video first.
You're about to get the chance to play with a new type of puzzle called the collector. These puzzles are a lot like ones you've already seen, except for a few important changes. In each puzzle, the collector will look for items to grab. When she gets to them, she won't be able to simply run over the items to pick them up. Instead, you will need to use the collect block to grab each pile. Be careful. The number of items that need to be collected to pass a level will change.
So here is the second level. So here we have the new block called gate block. So if you need to collect anything, then we need to use the gate block. So we need to help Laurels to collect all the blocks here. So let's see.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
Okay, you're going to use repeat block.
I'm gonna change number 3.
3, okay.
I'm gonna get east.
Okay, east.
And one more east.
One more east.
And collect.
Yeah, gate block. So
Get the
it will help to get the object. So let's run. Alright, so we finished the first level. So let's move to the next one. So here is the next level.
Get all 3 piles. Move Laurel to each piece of treasure, then use the Get Treasure block.
Okay, so we need to collect all the piles.
I'm gonna get one east.
One east.
2 east.
One more east. Okay.
And get block.
Okay, to get the piles. Okay.
I'm gonna take one east.
Okay.
And get block.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take one east.
One more east.
One more east. And get block.
Okay, so this way you are going to collect all the blocks. So let's
Now I'm
run
gonna
it.
run.
Wow, so we finished the level. So let's continue with the next one. So here is the intro video. So let's watch what's in it.
This is a repeat block. It'll let you loop the code inside as many times as you tell it to. To a computer, code that you write like this looks just like code that you write like this.
Let's continue to the next level. So here is the next level. We need to help Laurel to get all the piles.
I'm gonna take a repeat block.
You're going to use repeat. Okay.
I'm gonna change the number. One east.
One east.
And collector.
Okay, gate block to get the piles. Okay.
And run.
Wow, so we help Laurels to collect all the blocks and we finish the level. So let's continue with the next one. So here is the next level. So we need to fix the path to get the all piles.
Fix Laurel's path to get all of this treasure.
Okay, what are you going to use?
I'm gonna take south
South.
and collect.
Gate block.
Get block.
Okay, let's run. Alright, so we helped Laurels to collect all the piles. So here is the next level. Again we need to help Laurel to collect all the treasures, all the piles.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
Okay,
I'm gonna take waste and collect
gate block.
gate block. And then I'm gonna take south and then gate block.
Okay, let's run the program. Alright, so we help Laurels to collect all the treasures. So let's continue with the next one, which will be our last level up for today. So here is the today's last level. We need to help Laurels to collect the treasures.
Add blocks to this code to get all of the treasure.
Okay,
I'm gonna take the repeat block.
okay, going to take repeat block.
I'm gonna take south
South.
and then collect
Okay, how many times you need to collect?
4 times.
Check one more time.
Hmm?
3 times, right? So let's run it. Alright, so we finish all the levels for today. We help Laurel to collect the treasures. So we'll continue next lesson, next level in next video. So thank you very much.
Like and subscribe. Watch our videos. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.